Hello everyone, Mr. Bannon here, showing you how to highlight and how to cross out on Google Docs. Since you will have an assignment where you have to highlight the main idea in one color, supporting details in another color, I'm going to start you off showing you how to highlight in different colors. And here is what you do. Now follow the mouse. First, you click on this button here that looks like an A with a colored line under it. That line right here is the color that you have selected right now. Click on it. You have two choices here, either text or highlight. If you click text, that will be the color of the text that you want to type. What you're going to want to do for this, though, is click highlight. You're going to then pick a color. Since your main idea is going to be in red, click on that. Now, highlight the text, go back to the highlighting button, click on it again. Now, why did I have you do that earlier? I did that earlier just to show you what it looks like. So, you highlight the text, just to show you one more time. You highlight whatever, you drag your mouse over whatever you want to highlight. You click on the A. You click highlight, and then you pick the color that you wanted to use. You have now highlighted in red. Next, what you want to do is your supporting details are going to be highlighted in yellow. How do you do that? Highlight the supporting details with your mouse by clicking and dragging just like this. Then click back in the A, make sure it's on highlight, and click on the color you want. Let's see, what other supporting details do we have? We have this here too. Now make sure you click highlight. If you click text, what happens when you click the color? It turns the letters the color that you had picked. You don't want that. You want to make sure that you've highlighted. Then we're going to go back to our highlighting a main idea. A concluding sentence also has your main idea, the paragraph. So we've done all of our highlighting, but how do we cross out? It's pretty simple, actually. You're going to find what you need in format. But first you have to do is drag your mouse over the text. You have to make sure you're holding the button down as you drag the mouse over the text. You can't just click and move the mouse. That doesn't work. You have to drag the mouse. So you've picked the letters that you want. Then you go to Format and you click Strike Through. There we go. We've just crossed out some letters. Let's see, what else doesn't matter? Well, let's cross those out too. We have just learned how to, and I also noticed that this wasn't really relevant, so it didn't matter. So I'm going to cross that out as well. Remember, when you're doing all this, when you're clicking your letters, you have to hold the mouse down as you're moving the mouse cursor over it. Because otherwise, if you just click and move the mouse, nothing happens. You have to click and drag the mouse, just like that. This should give you a better idea of how to use crossing out and how to use highlighting in Google Docs. You will need this in the future, so feel free to go back if you ever need a reminder. This is Mr. Bannon, signing out.